Hi my dear electrical aspirants, this is yours Rajshekhar sir from our Saimedha coaching center. In this video, we are going to discuss few previously asked UEE questions. Mana TGPSC 2023 AEE లో UEE subjects లోంచి వచ్చిన కొన్ని questions discuss చేస్తున్నాను సార్. Let's see the question. If మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసుంటే ఆన్సర్ కామెంట్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. What is the effect on coefficient of adhesion? Coefficient of adhesion mu. Do you know what is the definition for coefficient of adhesion? Coefficient of adhesion is nothing but the maximum tractive force. The maximum tractive force upon adhesive weight of the train. Adhesive weight of the train. This is nothing but the coefficient of adhesion. What is the adhesive weight of the train? Adhesive weight of the train is nothing but the weight of the train on wheels. The weight of the train on wheels. When the weight of the train on wheels is less, then the coefficient of adhesion is more. If the coefficient of adhesion is more, easily we can compensate more load. If the coefficient of adhesion is less, we can't compensate more loads on the train. So the coefficient of adhesion is very important. How we have to maintain coefficient of adhesion? Always we need to maintain high value. So what they are asking, following condition on rails. Rails nothing but on the tracks. How it impacts? It's high when the rails are dry. We have two conditions. One is a clean and dry condition. In clean and dry condition, mu value 0.2 to 0.25 in that range. The coefficient of adhesion value. Whereas wet or greasy or oiled condition, in this condition the coefficient of adhesion is less, which is in the range of 0.16 to 0.2. Whereas a maximum coefficient of adhesion value in the range of 0.3 or 0.33. In this range we can have the maximum coefficient of adhesion. So which is high at dry condition is a suitable. High at wet condition is a wrong answer. High at oiled condition also wrong answer. Greasy condition also wrong answer. So generally at oiled and greasy condition coefficient of adhesion is less. It may leads to derailing problems and it is not compensate heavy loads. That's why we need to dry up the rails. How we can dry up the rails? How we can avoid this oily and greasy tracks? In India we are using sand pouring method. By sand pouring method we can make it overcome. We can overcome it. We can improve our coefficient of adhesion and we can improve our load capacity. So what I discussed here, coefficient of adhesion ante maximum tractive force by adhesive weight. Adhesive weight is nothing but adhesive weight of the train. The adhesive weight of the train is around 80% of dead weight of the train. Around 80% of dead weight of the train. The train weight on wheels is called adhesive weight of the train. Okay, this is brief discussion about the coefficient of adhesion, which is very important. Again, we can expect the question from this topic. I hope is everything clear. Right, sir? Are you okay, sir? Clear? Shall I go for next question? Can you do the answer for this question? Which of the following is used for overhead power system? Overhead power supply for AC locomotive. Generally, మీరు ఎక్కడైనా రైల్వే స్టేషన్కి వెళ్తే యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ సంథింగ్ 25 kV డేంజర్, 25 kV సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఏసీ డేంజర్. జనరల్లీ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఫర్ ఓవర్ హెడ్ సిస్టమ్ 25 kV సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఏసీ. సో జనరల్లీ మనము ట్రాక్షన్లో డీసీ సిరీస్ మోటార్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా సార్. అంటే దిస్ 25 kV సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఏసీ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇన్ టు డీసీ 600 or 720 volts డీసీగా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. దెన్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ డీసీ సిరీస్ మోటార్ యాజ్ ఎ ట్రాక్షన్ మోటార్. Some cases we can convert this into 3.3 kV 3-phase AC supply. 3-phase AC supply which is 25 hertz or 16 2/3 hertz. ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి 3-phase స్లిప్ రింగ్ ఇండక్షన్ మోటార్ యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ ట్రాక్షన్ మోటార్. actually. This system is called Kando system. This system is called Kando system. Actually, what is Kando system? The conversion of single phase to three phase conversion is called Kando system. This is also very, very, very important, sir. Actually, this is a conclusion for system of electrification. We can convert single phase AC into DC, then DC series motor used as a traction motor, single phase AC to three phase AC, then we can use three phase slip ring induction motor as a traction motor. But generally for overhead system, we are using 25 kV single phase 50 Hz supply. Is it okay, guys? Let's go for next. What is the units of illumination? Illumination, intensity, luminance or brightness, and luminous flux, luminous efficiency, and what's our next? Plane angle, solid angle. Actually, these are very, 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 very important for us. Generally, the illumination is nothing but luminous flux per spherical area. Luminous flux per spherical area, which is called lumens per meter square. The lumens per meter square is also called lux. Lumens per meter square is also called lux. By default, we are using lux units for illumination. And of course, we have another 2 units also for this illumination. Evarikaithe another 2 units telso illumination units, please comment here. Okay, guys? But generally we are using lux. Other than lux, we have still more 2 units. Please comment here. Right? Right, sir? Let's go for next. Sir, what about Henry? There is no units in our illumination. Even decibel also. But coulomb also. These are not belongs to illumination actually. Next one, sir. A lamp takes 10 amperes of current and 250 volts of supply voltage, which emitting 16,000. Actually, in the last video also I discussed this question, but I given 16,000 pi, but they given 16,000 actually. Determine its mean spherical candela power. What is the formula for spherical candela power? 5 by 4 pi, where 5 given as a 16,000, 16,000 by 4 pi, whereas 4,000 by pi, 4,000 by pi will be our answer. Very easy question, sir. Actually, for AEE, they asked MSCP for Assistant Executive Engineer, which is a BE level. But ITI level, junior lineman people, they asked the same question, MSCP per watt. MSCP per watt. Can you anyone give the answer? Can you anyone give the answer? JLM pillalaithe easy answer chestar because they already prepared this. Remaining people, can you answer me please? MSCP is a 4,000 by pi divided by power. MSCP per watt. Watt nothing but per 1 watts of power simply. Per watt. What is the power here? Power P is equals to voltage into current, which is 2500 watts. So divided by 2500 watts. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 5 5s are 5 8s are. So the answer is 8 by 5 into pi. This is MSCP per watt. They may ask you MSCP per ampere even. Alanti questions generally repeat outai, sir. This is simply on MSCP, mean spherical candela power. Let's go for next question. What happens in coasting mode? Do you know what is coasting mode? Do you have an idea? Acceleration, coasting, retardation. Acceleration, supply is on. Coasting, here we need to put up the supply, disconnect the supply. Here supply disconnected. Then after coasting will be there. Here we need to apply the brakes. When we applied the brakes, then the train will comes to rest. So this is simply called coasting period. So what happened in the coasting? Continuous power supply, electric drive accelerates, the power supply is cut off, and the train allowed to run with its own inertia is the suitable answer. Actually, based on this coasting, they are repeating in every exam, sir. Prati exam lo. Last time APGENCO exams lo kuda based on coasting questions untai, sir. Very important, sir, that coasting point. Okay, na? Next, regenerative braking is not there. Next and last question in this session. Which type of material is used for filament? Generally, filament is very important in our lamps. So, the filament which should have high resistivity. When the resistivity is more, resistance is more, then the temperature will be more. When the temperature will be more, the light output will be more. Light output will be more. And also, where R is equals to rho L by A, for a constant resistance, if the resistivity is more, ultimately the length of the filament is less, that is advantageous. High resistive material we need. And also, low temperature coefficient, its value should be 0.00000 something. Low temperature coefficient we need. And also, it shouldn't be a oxidizing or less corrosive. Corrosive nature should be less. Corrosive nature should be less. And also mechanically strong. Mechanically strong it should be. Like that, we have a few characteristics for filament. So, which material can follow all these characteristics? We have a few materials like a carbon, osmium, tantalum, and tungsten. Like that, we have a few materials which follows all these properties. High melting point, highest melting point, the melting point should be very high. Like that, we have a few characteristics. So, all these characteristics followed by many material, but for given temperature range, the tungsten is the best, which having least losses and good efficiency. And the tungsten temperature coefficient also 0.00046 something, very small value. That's why the aluminum is not suitable, copper not suitable, silicon not suitable. The tungsten is the best filament ever actually what we are using. So like a silly questions they are asking, of course for BE BTech level they may go behind of this also. You need to follow all the concepts here. What are the filament characteristics, why we need only those characteristics. అలాంటి బేస్ చేసుకొని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాడు సార్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అబౌట్ కోస్టింగ్, అబౌట్ ఫ్రీ రన్నింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాడు సార్. అబౌట్ ఎంఎస్సిపి, ఎంహెచ్సిపి, ఎంక్యూఎస్సిపి, మీన్ స్పెరికల్ క్యాండిలా పవర్, హెమీ స్పెరికల్ క్యాండిలా పవర్, క్వాడ్రిక్ స్పెరికల్ క్యాండిలా పవర్, అండ్ ఎంఎస్సిపి పర్ వాట్, ఎంఎస్సిపి పర్ ఆంపియర్. లైక్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది సార్. అండ్ యూనిట్స్, ఆల్ దీస్ యూనిట్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. And after this, ఇక్కడ నేను మిమ్మల్ని కామెంట్ చేయమన్నాను రిమైనింగ్ 2 యూనిట్స్. One is a lux, remaining 2 what? And the next one is a simple, the system of electrification. 100% questions are very important. And the next one, what they asked about coefficient of adhesion. In generally, I already told you in the introduction class, tractive force, coefficient of adhesion, specific energy consumption. ఈ మూడిట్లోంచి 1 క్వశ్చన్ షూర్గా రిపీట్ అవుతుంది సార్. ఓకే గైస్, స్టే ట్యూన్, విల్ కమ్ విత్ అనదర్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ అవర్ ఎగ్జామ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్.